Welcome back to the Nomadic Table, and today we have a quick fried rice dish. It has a little bit of a different flair. I'm going to show you what that flair is, but this is more of an Indonesian fried rice, and it's called Nasi Goreng. Let's get cooking. Okay, and welcome back. So we have I made some white rice. That's finished steaming, and here, white rice. This minute rice, but you know what? Minute rice is nomad friendly. So all you gotta do is heat the water and let it sit for 5 minutes. And all it is rice has been cooked and steamed, okay? So that's what we have. And then we have some cut up vegetables. We have some peas, some zucchini, some green pepper, and some tomatoes. Too much green, we need some tomatoes, we need some red. Okay, and also we have some soy sauce and some tomato ketchup. Okay, and we're gonna really have to hope that this support can hold this pan, or else we're gonna have a really creative video here called Vegetable Pick Me Up. All right. It's a little bit windy today. My microphone is over here. It's a little bit windy today. So we're going to have to hope that we can get the wind to cooperate with us. Alrighty. Okay. Let's see if this oil is heated up hot enough. Okay, we're going to crank that up a bit. And we need that oil to heat up a little bit. So this dish, let's talk about this dish for a little bit. This dish is kind of versatile because you can use your chop method. Just take whatever vegetables you have, cut them all up. That's what I did right here. Had whatever I had on hand, cut them all up, add some minute rice, then add your seasoning. And Indonesians, they have a thing called a soy ketchup. It's a soy ketchup, and by adding regular ketchup to soy sauce, we can replicate that. And just that addition to that tomato sauce gives it a really, really good flavor essence. And this dish would also work if you're a backpacker. So all you would need is rice, some dehydrated vegetables, and you can get a packet of soy sauce at a fast food place and a packet of ketchup at a fast food place. You just add your ketchup and your soy sauce from the packet. So it makes it really versatile. Okay, I think we have oil heating up here. So let's, hopefully this will weight down this pan with these vegetables. Oh boy. Okay, adding our vegetables here. Hopefully get some weight to this pan. And this handle's getting hot, so I'm gonna have to go get a pot holder for this. Let's get these vegetables in here first. All right, cut up some tomatoes. This knife is nice and sharp. It was good that I sharpened all these. Do I need my tomato knife? Alrighty. Okay, so we're gonna take a break right here, and I will be right back, and we'll get our vegetables all sauteed up. Okay, and welcome back. And we are getting our dish sauteed up here. And one little issue is that this is not a very supportive stove. It's not that supportive stove. It's a little top heavy, and this pan is kind of wobbling around. And I'm really trying to keep everything on board so we're not dumping our food all over on the ground for the armadillos to eat. Okay. Okay, we're gonna give it a stir. You like my I can't see you. Oh, there. You like my little spurtle here? Look at that. My colored little spurtle. Yeah, that's a nice little thing. It's called paca wood, and it's dyed in colors. A little pack of wood here. So let's get this stirred up. Now, important thing about stoves, and I tell you what, someday we're going to do a video on stoves. I'm going to pull out every stove I own, and every stove I'm going to talk about every stove I have currently, and every stove I've ever had in my life. Because this, being so inexpensive, is obviously not going to be very efficient. It's not wind efficient. We are getting some wind here today. It's not going to be very wind efficient. And the BTUs aren't that high, and you will be spending forever getting your food to cook. That is the only drawback. Yeah, let me take this off the fire so we can add in our soy sauce. I might have to go the other bottle, maybe not. Oh, this might be good. Okay. And I don't know what you're seeing. I'm gonna try to get it all in the shot. I'm still looking for that tripod. And listen, everybody, tell you later. I'm gonna squirt some ketchup in there on top. Okay. Okay. There. Now we're gonna get this some soy sauce and our ketchup to kind of blend in to give us that tomato essence soy sauce. And it looks like the soy sauce will be enough. Have more in case I need it. Back, what the heck? Let's get it open. Get it done. Alright. Alrighty, tidy. Alrighty, there we go. Got our extra soy sauce in there. Okay, and we just get this stirred around. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking very good. It's starting to smell good too. Our little stove that could is slowly getting the job done. Not perfect though. And of course, this is all vegetables that I had. You can very well put some beef in it, some chicken, some shrimp, whatever you like. Okay, I am going to risk coming over here. Okay, I'm going to risk coming over here. All right. Don't even want to sit down. I don't want to risk sitting down. Oh, we're really bubbling up here now. But listen, I want to tell you something about this tripod. This is not an e-begging channel, okay? Not e-begging. Don't y'all be trying to send me no tripods. Don't even send me 50 cents for a tripod. I get my tripod in due time. All right? All right. This channel is all about food and being a nomad. And I love food and love cooking. And I love being a nomad sometimes. Has its ups and downs. And so that's what this channel is about. Being mobile and eating good. Okay, so this is going pretty good now. I venture to say that these vegetables are still going to be on the crunchy side. Our tomatoes are getting pretty soft. And the reason why this is vegetarian is when it's summer and the heat is so high, especially here in South Texas. It's very hot. And my refrigerator kind of struggles at a certain degree. It kind of struggles in the summer when it's 90. Refrigerator kind of struggles. So that's why I don't want to be getting any too much meat, because then it won't freeze in my freezer and I can't store it, and that gets to be a problem. So you got plenty of vegetables in summer. Eat the vegetables while they're there, because in winter time you have a hard time finding stuff. You're going to appreciate it. So in summer, eat your veggies. Alrighty, let's look at this. Smelling really good here. Starting to smell good. Okay, I'm going to tell you what. We're going to turn this off now. All that's heated through. Vegetables might be a little firm, but that's okay. And before they plate this up, I'm going to take another little intermission here. Okay, welcome back. Let's get this served up, huh? There's a bee flying around. Go away, bee. Alrighty. Okay, and here we have, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Nice full vegetables, that soy and that ketchup all melded together with the rice in there. All those flavors just melded up. We have here an Indonesian specialty, even an Indonesian street food called Nasi Goreng. This is a nomadic table, and happy cooking down the road.